Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello ma'am. Today, Dr. Gayatri Dave is with us. She is the Dean of Faculty of Science at Charusat University. We welcome you, ma'am. Welcome you in our College Dunya portal and welcome you on our thoughtful leader and that is Thoughts on Education interview by College Dunya. So ma'am, I would like you to introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you for giving me the opportunity. I'm Dr. Gayatri Dave. I'm Dean of Faculty of Science at Chadodar University of Science and Technology. This institute is running total 4 departments under the umbrella of P.D. Patel Institute of Applied Sciences, Chemistry, Physics, Biology and Mathematics.
Okay, starting from the first question, ma'am. Being the Dean of Faculty of Science at Charusat University, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style, ma'am?
Well, our main philosophy is our student, the well being of our student, the satisfaction of our students, the overall growth and holistic development of our student. That is our topmost priority and fundamental philosophy.
Okay. We'll move on to next questions, ma'am. How does the curriculum of Faculty of Science at Charusat University ensure the best practice of the industry? As you know, the industry is moving very fast in the current scenario.
It's a very good question. In the current scenario, the alignment with the industry is really must, and hence our 40% of laboratory exercise are directly aligned with their industrial experimental needs or industrial skills. Furthermore, we usually teach them a good laboratory practices, which is mandatory for any industry. So, both of the things, the industry oriented practicals and hands on skills, and our good laboratory practices, both are we consider as our best practices aligning to the need of industry in the present day.
Okay. Moving on to next question, ma'am. What do you think should be the Faculty of Science at Charusat University's top priority over the next 10 years?
See, our two priorities, our topmost priority is flourishing in research and being a topmost research university or being a topmost research faculty in our field, particularly in physics and biological science. Second, to produce a good student, which actually helps our nation to grow more faster than whatever actually it is growing today. So, our top priority is to prepare quality students, and second, to prepare quality researchers.
Can you name some of the research paper that you had told us that you want to be in research field?
Yes, our few students have, even at their master level, have their own patents which can be directly absorbed by any of the industry. They also have a very good research paper in a very high impact journal even at their master's level. So our master's dissertation practice is so in depth that the student can publish or even can dream to publish, can have a dream to publish at the MSc level. And such good journals where our students have published are of environmental science, pollution research, like catalysis, applied environmental catalysis. These are the few examples of such journals where even our MSc students have published their papers. We are running PhD too. We have a PhD program for all these 4 branches, physics, chemistry, biology and maths. And our PhD students are publishing paper very routinely. But even our MSc students are publishing the papers being in the Faculty of Science at Charusat. That is our unique selling point, what I say.
Now moving on to last question, ma'am. As you are the dean, what would you like people to know about Faculty of Science at Charusat that they may not know?
The main thing which people might not be knowing about the Faculty of Science at Charusat is our research practice, our spending on research. We spend usually 6 dedicated months over the research in the last year of master as well as the fourth year of BSc. We provide the opportunity of apprenticeship at the fourth year of BSc, which is unusual for any graduate college across the state. Furthermore, to MSc student, the 6-month in-house dissertation leading to the quality publication is the two things which might not be all the students are aware of about the Faculty of Science, but they should be aware to this practice.
Okay, thank you so much.